The A330 family presents a range of capacities and travel capabilities. Dash 200 seats a maximum of 406 passengers, offering a cozy 210 to 250 in a 3-class setup and covers 7,250 nautical miles. The Dash 300 accommodates 440 passengers with a 3-class style ranging from 250 to 290 and cruises at 6,350 nautical miles. The Dash 800 with a capacity of 406 provides a 3-class vibe of 220 to 260 and an impressive travel range of 8,150 nautical miles. The top-tier Dash 900, seating 440 passengers, offers a 3-class setup ranging from 260 to 300 and covers 7,200 nautical miles.